What's up my beautiful people? Good day, welcome back to my channel. My name is Favor. So guys, in today's video I am going to show you 4 simple steps to bring your dry mini twist back to life. And now what you see me mixing is my aloe vera gel that I'm going to use as my liquid. So all I did was to scrape the gel of a fresh aloe vera leaf, and then I added it to a container and poured water so I can get enough liquid out of it, and I covered it and let it sit for a while. Now you will notice that after letting it sit for about 20 minutes, the gel became more jelly. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just to strain it and our liquid is ready. You can see how slimy this gel is, and now I am transferring it to a spray bottle, and later on I'm going to add a little bit more water so I can be able to spray it out. So my loves, let's see the hair that we'll be working with. So this is what my hair looks like. It has been exactly 1 week since I installed this hair, and honestly I've not dropped any form of moisture on my hair. So this is what the hair looks like right now. And here are the products that I'm going to be using to moisturize my hair. So the first one is the aloe vera gel that we prepared earlier, and then followed with my leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to also use my hair growth pomade to seal, and then I'm going to use this oil to oil my scalp. All these products that I have displayed are already on my channel. Please do well to check the description box. I'll be leaving the links to these videos there in case you want to see how I made them. Okay, successfully I have been able to grow my hair and my daughter's hair using DIY products that I made at the comfort of my home. So it is easy to grow your hair whether or not you have money. Okay, so if you know me well, you know that I love to work in section, and it applies also to my protective style. Therefore I'll be working in sections here too. So I started from the back side, and the first thing I did was to go in with the aloe vera gel, and as I damped my hair with it, you would notice how moisturized my hair looked instantly without me even adding a leave-in yet. Okay, so this is me just showing you the consistency of this gel. It is quite slimy. Now if you want it to be watery, you can just pour a lot of water to make it watery. Look at how shiny my hair looks. Okay, now after dampening my hair, I'm going to apply my leave-in conditioner. I am using a DIY leave-in conditioner, but as always you can use a leave-in conditioner of your choice, the one that you already have. Okay, alright guys, so I'm going to now seal all this beautiful moisture with my pomade. And the reason why I love this pomade is because the moment you rub it together in your palm, it just dissolves and it soaks in your hair instantly. Okay, if you have a hair butter, you can also use it. Another thing you can use is your oil as well, but I like to seal with pomade because it helps to keep my hair moisturized for longer. You could see how my hair was looking. It was not completely dry despite the fact that I did not moisturize for 1 week. Okay guys, so as I was applying my leave-in, I'm sure you noticed those white cast from the leave-in conditioner. Do not worry, it disappears immediately. Like, it disappears before you know it. Okay, it is not anything to worry about. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the reason why it is best to use natural gels such as aloe vera, okra, and even flaxseed to moisturize your hair. So natural gels are water-based and they are rich in mucilage. Now this jelly-like substance helps to attract and lock in moisture, and this means that it helps to hydrate the hair from the root to the tip without making it greasy or heavy at all. And just like okra, aloe vera, or even flaxseed contains vitamins and minerals and a lot more other nutrients which helps to strengthen the hair, reduce breakage, and improve the elasticity of our natural hair, which makes your hair not only to feel soft but to actually get stronger when you use it consistently. I also love how these natural gels are chemical and gentle, unlike some store-bought gels that contains alcohol and harsh preservatives. These natural gels are safe. They are scalp friendly. You could see how I was hydrating even my scalp with the aloe vera gel, and they are non-drying, especially when you layer it the way that I am layering it in this video. And using natural gels like this also help to define your coils beautifully and moisturize for longer. Okay, they are also gentle on your scalp, especially for aloe vera and okra that contains enzymes that helps to soothe the scalp, fight dandruff, and even stimulate hair growth. So if you have a mild itching or dandruff, saturating your scalp with these natural gels is going to help to alleviate the itchiness. Okay, and yeah, it gives your hair bouncy, like gives your hair enough volume. And the icing on the cake for me is that it is super affordable. God, like, do you know that I just went by the corner of my house and plucked just 2 tiny leaves of aloe vera, and my sisters, I just scraped it too. You saw the little portion and pour in my container, added water, and boom, I have natural gel. You get, so they are quite affordable and easy to come by. You can get them from your local market. A lot of people already have aloe vera in their homes. Okay, and okra is everywhere. And okra is also affordable too, so you can switch your liquid to natural gels like this. Just make them, depending on what you are going for, you can make them light, you know, like loose, so that you can easily spread them, just like I did in this video. Or you can use them in their full jelly form. Anyhow you want to use it is okay. You can use it as a leave-in anytime, any day, and your hair will thank you. If you have not seen the video where I install this hair, I'm going to put it up here so that you will see it, because in that video I actually used a flaxseed mix to, you know, twist my hair, and the video of how I made that flaxseed mix is also on my channel. So I'm going to link the both of them up and in the description box. So if you mix it up, you can check the description box so that you will see how to, you know, make these things and use it on your hair. You want to grow your hair, you want to retain length, start by preventing your hair from dryness. Honestly, that is like the secret to hair growth, like one of the top secrets. If your hair is not dry, especially for 4C natural hair that is prone to dryness, if you're able to combat that dryness, my sister, your hair is not going to break. Now if your hair is not breaking, like if you are retaining about 80 to 90% of your hair from breakage, you're going to see length. Like this one is no magic. Like I used to say, it's no magic. You're going to see length if your hair is not breaking, if you're not doing too much manipulation. This is my first time moisturizing my hair after installing this twist, and it has been 1 week. In fact, Tuesday was 1 week, and I moisturized this hair yesterday, which was Wednesday. So you could see that I moisturized on the 8th day, and my hair was not super dry and crunchy. You saw what I showed you earlier. Now my hair was not super dry. It was dry, but not like super dry. Like the way it was, I could still rock it for a few more days. But yeah, it's always good that you catch your hair before it completely dries out. Okay, so like if you've mastered your moisture game and you notice that your hair dries out on the day 7, for instance, you can moisturize on the day 6, so that way you're not waiting until your hair is completely dry before, you know, reinstalling moisture back. All right, my lovely people, if you're watching this video up to this moment, that means you're enjoying it. Please don't forget to give your babe a thumbs up. Okay, and yeah, so I finished moisturizing my hair, and can you see how bouncy my hair is looking? Don't worry, we are not done yet. We still have the 4th step plus a bonus tip. You don't want to miss that tip. Okay. Okay, my loves, so if you're starting out your natural hair new, then it is advisable that you moisturize your hair at least 2 or 3 times in a week, or until you master your moisture game. Okay, now onto the last step, which is the 4th step. I'm going to moisturize my scalp to prevent it from drying out. Okay, so you know we have already, you know, hydrated the scalp with the aloe vera gel, which is very good. So now we're going to, like, you know, balance everything with the oil, and this will help to keep your scalp moisturized too, because your scalp needs moisture too. I'm going to show you another step that helps to lock in the moisture. Like these steps locks in the moisture for longer, like for longer. Okay, and that is, I covered my hair with my food bag, that's the cellophane leather, and then I tied the whole thing up with my silk scarf. Okay, and I let it sit for 40 minutes, guys. Like I literally went about doing my thing, and then I remember, oh, I was supposed to conclude this video. So I came back online to show you what my hair looks like. and it was exactly 40 minutes, guys. Now if you do this step, if you follow this step, your hair is going to stay moisturized for long. Now let me give you a special tip, right? Please make sure that you are covering your hair with a silk scarf or silk bonnet, okay? Don't do this finish and go to bed rubbing your hair on the cotton pillowcase and cotton bedspread. Like your hair is going to dry, especially this twist that freezes a lot. Have you noticed that twist freeze more than braid? So especially for your twist, it's going to freeze and it will even look old before it's time. So make sure that you're covering your hair properly. Like cover your hair with your silk scarf, your silk bonnet before going to bed, or even when you're at home in your leisure time. If you feel like to lie down or anything, just remember to tie your hair up, okay? Do this consistently. I know that sometimes you may not be able to do it every single time, but just try and do it frequently so that way you are retaining the moisture for long, okay? And I don't know about you, me, I want to grow waist length too and I'm working towards it, and I'm carrying you sisters along. So let's grow this hair together. The best part is that it is easy, like it is affordable. You don't have to break the bank, my sister. Gone are those days when we are thinking we need special products, we need like the most expensive products to grow our hair. Right now we are growing our hair inside our houses in the comfort of our homes with natural ingredients that God has blessed us with. So yeah, we've come to the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed this one. So thank you so much, my lovely people, for watching up to this moment. You're a champion. Thank you, God bless you so much. And yeah, if you've not given this video a thumbs up yet, please quickly do that for your sister, okay? Do that for your girl. And please help me share this video with your loved ones, your friends, your mamas, anyone whom you know that need to see this video, okay? And yeah, subscribe to my channel. Don't you like what you're seeing? Subscribe to my channel for more hair videos such as this one. And until I come your way next time, I don't know, this hair is making me feel something. So until I come your way next time, my name is Vera. Please take care of your amazing self and bye.
I'm too fine. Oh, this woman. You know, say don't worry about children. Why too fine like this now? You got to twist to my sister. Hey, Rishi. You got to twist to my sister. Look at that. Like, seriously. You're too fine. Your aroma is so cool, baby girl. Your aroma is so cool. Hey. Okay, see, but that I love mini twist. Like, gosh. You don't give it to you and tell me. Mini twist is my ride or die.